Today, we're going to be talking about your window screens, how to take them out for cleaning or winter storage, and how to reinstall them. My name is Michael DiMartino, and I've been in the remodeling and home improvement industry for 20 years. I've also been featured on Realtor.com and BobVila.com as a home expert. Let's get started. Some people like to take their screens out in the spring or at the end of spring during a heavy pollen season to give them a rinse. Other people like to take their screens out completely during the winter for storage. So there's a couple components I'm going to review with you. The first one being that these slide bolts here are what secure the window into the screen track. The screen track is this portion right here, this piece of the frame that the screen rests in. So there's two springs on the right-hand side of the screen that need to be, they're called compression springs, and you need to slide the bolt over on the left as you push the aluminum screen frame into the screen track and push simultaneously on the lower left-hand corner. Be gentle with this. This is not an especially rugged piece of window equipment, but that is the compression spring. There's two of them, one located at the top and the bottom. And like I said, you can put these up in your attic or your garage for storage. You can rinse off this mesh with a hose if you're taking them out, like I said, at the end of a spring season. Now, to get it back in, if you're on the first floor and you can reach, I recommend reinstalling it from the outside, and I'm going to show you why in a second. You want to rotate your screen 90 degrees so it's perpendicular to your window. Feed it out, and then make sure that the compression springs are in the screen track. And push all the way to the right while holding on to the left-hand slide bolt. Now, the reason I say you want to do this from outside is this corner is going to give you some problems trying to do this from inside. So you want to pull down your top sash, reach outside, grab that corner. There's a little button that I'll show you, and just make sure that that pops into the screen track. Close your top sash, open your bottom sash. Make sure it's operational, and as you close it, you'll hear the slide bolts click as they slide back into place, and the window screen is now secure. As I mentioned, it's a touch easier to reinstall your screen from the outside. So if you have access to a first floor window that you can reach, just putting both springs into the screen track and depressing the bolt over here, and it pops right in. Don't go to the trouble of setting up a ladder though for the second floor. If you found this video helpful, hit us with a like and subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you can get notified first when we post our next video. For any unresolved issues or if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to call us at 888-REMODEL or visit our website at powerhrg.com. Thanks for watching.